we give a round of applause for this gorgeous hair? So these beautiful boho braids were created only using human hair. So I did not add any synthetic braiding hair. I just put my hair into some boxes and I braided my hair down, and I added anywhere between 3 to 4 boho pieces into each one of my braids. Once I got to the end of my hair, I just did a little quick finger coil, so no glue added at the end. Didn't have to do any knots or anything. Just braided my hair in, added the boho hair. Absolutely love it. So I have been working with the feather crochet hair, which is super easy to install, even for boho braids like this. I have not used bulk hair without the little feather thing in so long, so there was definitely a learning curve. I will show you some of my little mistakes that I made along the way, but once I got the hang of it, super easy, simple to do. This tutorial is very beginner friendly. You can definitely do this on yourself. So I have like small to medium sections. Give you 360. Absolutely love the hair and the color. This hair is from TikTok shop, so I will put the link to the hair in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. I also put the name of the shop on the screen here. This hair is absolutely beautiful. This is the 18-inch deep wave in the color 430. Color is absolutely beautiful. It's so lightweight because I didn't add any braiding hair. It's just my hair braided and then the boho pieces in with it. This turned out absolutely better than I expected. I'm absolutely loving the way this looks. So I was sent 2 bundles of the hair, and this is the 18-inch. This is what the packaging looks like. I only use 1 bundle for this look. Let me just show you this beautiful hair. These bundles are super thick. I would probably suggest getting 2 just in case, but I achieved this look with using 1 bundle. Bundles are super full. This is the deep wave color 430. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely love this hair. Great quality. I did not deal with a lot of shedding. Once I took this apart, I split it into 4 big sections. And then with those 4 sections, I added some edge control gel on this part of it to make it separating it easy. And then I use small pieces. I'll show you the size of the pieces that I use. But again, super easy, beginner friendly tutorial. So let's get right into it. So if you've gotten this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It is free 99, no cost to you, quick and easy. Just click subscribe, click the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads. I do a lot of hair tutorials, some skincare, mostly protective styles, but we are going to be doing a little change to our natural hair soon. So if you want to see that transformation, make sure that you subscribe. So let me know what you think of these boho braids in the comment section below. Would you rock this style? I was kind of debating between doing the boho twist or like the island twist and these braids, but the braids won. But since I do have extra hair left over, I will be doing some island twists. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.